Orlando Pirates midfielder Patrick Tito Masonganye has opened up for the first time about missing out on Bafana Bafana's Africa Cup of Nations squad, admitting the experience has been hard to watch as teammate Sipombule continues to shine for both club and country. Following a busy transfer window in which Pirates signed more than 10 new players, competition for places has intensified drastically at the Soweto Giants. Several players who were guaranteed status under former coach Jose Rivero now find themselves rotated, benched, or overlooked altogether as new head coach Abdisalam Wadu enforces a strict rotational policy. Masanganye has been among the biggest casualties of that system. Tito has seen his minutes drastically reduced this season, largely due to Mbule's resurgence. The former Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder has become a central figure for Pirates and subsequently earned his place in Hugo Bross's AFCON squad, a position many once believed belonged to Masangwany. Speaking on Metro FM, Dido did not hide his disappointment. He said, "You can't control everything in life. It's been hard for me watching others play, but you need to understand they are working hard. I've never gone to the coach to ask why I'm not playing. My focus is to show the new guys that even if I'm on the bench, I can support them. They're helping the team right now." Despite being one of the PSL's most experienced midfielders, Masanganye said he accepted early on that he would not be part of Bross's plans for Morocco. He said, "I already knew I wasn't going to make the AFCON squad because I wasn't playing. When I was called up previously, I had small injuries. Those things affect your mind and your position in the national team because there are many players working hard to be there." Wado's selection strategy has come under fire from fans and pundits who argue that experienced performers like Masanganye, Talente Mbata, and Zehofatso Mabasa have suffered as a result. But the Moroccan mentor remains unapologetic. He said, "People ask about Mabasa all the time. I have no issue with him. He's a good striker and a good guy. Sometimes he's tactical. My game model demands a lot: pressing, running, fitness. Depending on the opponent, we choose the striker who fits the plan." With 5 forwards competing for one position, Wado emphasized that pressing intensity has become a non-negotiable part of Pirates' system. He said, "I cannot allow opponents to keep the ball for more than 5 seconds. Mabasa knows he must do more in pressing. He's one of the best finishers, but others can press harder. We make choices." Despite criticism of his player management, Wade already has 2 trophies to his name, the Carling Knockout and the MTN 8, achievements that have given him breathing room as he continues reshaping the squad. Masonganye, meanwhile, is left to battle for his place at the club level while watching his peers fly national flag. But the midfielder insists he remains committed, patient, and ready to contribute when the opportunity comes. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.